So it is all finished now, and this is what it looks like. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some ripe plantain French toast. So here I have some ripe plantain. As you can see, I cut it up. I also have some vanilla. This is 1 spoonful. Bread, as you can see, they're thick. Melted butter, 1 spoonful. Sugar, 2 spoonful. Nutmeg, half a teaspoonful, and cinnamon powder, half a teaspoonful, and 1 egg. And I also have 1.5 cup of milk. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour my milk in my container. And my egg. Let's give it a stir. I'm gonna add my vanilla, my melted butter, cinnamon powder and nutmeg, and my sugar. This is gonna be so good, guys. Just make sure everything is all combined together. So this is what my mixture look like. As you can see, it all combined together. So this is exactly how you want it. So now I'm gonna take my bread and just dip it in my mixture. I'm using 4 bread, like so, and take it out, drip it, and just put it aside. And the next one, hi guys, so in this pot I've got at least 2 spoonfuls of butter, and as you can see, it is all melted. So now I'm gonna add my bread to it. And my stove is on medium. Just leave it for at least 3 minutes until it became very brown. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna turn it now. So that's the color that you need. Nice and brown. So they are finally finished. So now I'm gonna remove them now. Nice and brown. So in this same pot that I used to make my French toast, I'm gonna add 1 spoonful of butter to it. So now that the butter is all melt, I'm gonna add my plantain. And I'm just gonna allow them to fry for at least 3 minutes on each side. So now I'm gonna turn my plantain. Nice and golden. So as soon as your plantain is brown, you're gonna need some orange juice. As you can see, I have some orange juice in this bowl. I also have some brown sugar, some cinnamon powder, and some nutmeg. So I'm just gonna give it a stir. And I'm just gonna pour it all over my plantain. And I'm also gonna add some honey. That's around 1 teaspoonful. And I'm just gonna leave it for at least 3 minutes. So it is all finished now, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is caramelized, and this is exactly how you want it. It smells so good, guys, and it looks absolutely delicious. Hi guys, so this is what my ripe plantain French toast looks on the plate. It's looking absolutely delicious. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.